Security market, if I look at the way we started, earlier we started with products which were basically based on the technology, like you have IDS, we had content filtering, we had antivirus. So we had, related to the problem, we had the product, we had the solution. But today, as we are moving on, earlier UTM and people, all enterprise class of customers, even mid enterprise class of customers, they were never used to consider UTM as a solution. But as technology has evolved in terms of the kind of throughput which a UTM is able to offer, not only as a firewall throughput, but in totality on IPS, on the antivirus, or overall throughput, I think things have dramatically changed. So in my opinion, yes, the so-called technology, the way it is moving, starting from, like earlier it was based on like IPS, different one, content filtering, these are also going to be existing. There is no doubt about it. I mean, they will be there. But the point is, as we move on, and the way we are moving on to the cloud, I think as a technology also moving on to the cloud. So for example, CyberRoam as a company, we're asking about CyberRoam as a company, we have complete virtual UTM. When I say virtual UTM, which means that it is completely software. There is absolutely no hardware appliance on it. And today we have also gone ahead and tying up with Amazon, where people are going to be buying security like they are buying CPU processing power, like RAM, like hard disk, everything. Similarly, we are absolutely going to be available on Amazon kind of portal. CyberRoam is definitely a 100% channel company, and I strongly believe whether you talk about any of the big, HP or IBM, even today Dell, they have strong focus on channel. CyberRoam decided in the beginning itself that we wanted to be a channel focused company, because India as a geography, as the way states are being divided, and the way demographic stuff is there, in my opinion, I would say that India definitely needs channel. Channel is able to understand the customers, channel is able to understand the requirement and the pain points of what customer is looking for. So I think we are a 100% channel company, and advantage is that today whatever products which we are bringing in, our channel is helping us to reach to our last mile, which is customers, very fast. So today we have 600 plus channel partners, and we have 17 sub-distributors. With the help of such kind of a strong network, today we announced that this is the new product, and it just takes a week to reach to the end customer. The kind of network which we have created, they are technologically aware. Every channel partner has a skill set, and we keep on enhancing that skill set by virtue of various training programs which we organize for them just free. That's one of the advantage which CyberRoam partners gets aligned with CyberRoam. BYOD as a phenomena in the corporate market, we came out first in terms of layer 8, which is user identity, is the 8th layer which we coined. Today, that's one thing which is patented with only CyberRoam, and I'm glad to announce that we are the only company who has the patent. We have got that. We are going to announce it. It's a little confidential information as of now, but I'm saying that we talked about layer 8 first, 2006. And today, with the help of the same layer 8, today we are able to identify whether somebody is a remote user or somebody has just, as a guest, he's checking into the office. So BYOD has been there with us in our part of our solution offerings, and it is giving a fantastic success to us, because that was our base, that was our differentiator with our competition. We have web application firewall, and I think I'm very proud to mention this, that as an Indian company, we thought about our customers. We really feel, that if at all customer is going to spend a single penny extra, then he needs to be, kind of given full return on that. And on the same appliance, we were the first company to offer the WAF, Web Application Firewall, which primarily talks about as to how various kind of applications can be secured. So the fundamental point where I am coming from is that we definitely in our appliance and in our solution offerings, we have various applications which can be secured, and every day and night, new applications keep on coming and we keep on adding. So that's something which we are doing, whether it is safe or not. If today I need an app on my mobile, I need it. As simple as that. So the point is, it is companies like us who have to make it safe. Are you increasing the risk? Yes. We are 100%, there is no doubt that there is a risk percentage which gets increased, because more applications means more vulnerabilities, and you are giving away space for the threats to enter in the various. So that's no doubt. But the point is it a healthy trend? More applications going to come in? Yes, they are going to come in, and we are going to be working with our users, end users, to ensure that they are safe. Cyberome has our own research lab, which is called, we have Cyberome Threat Research Lab, CTRL, which is based out of Ahmedabad, which keeps on kind of researching on the new malwares which are coming across the country. We have today 125 plus countries operations. So we keep doing that job and keep finding it out vulnerabilities. Even lot of researchers in our company have done, like with Facebook, we found out vulnerabilities and they got the award. Like Facebook has that policy of giving away that if they recognize. So we have a couple of people in our organization who have got the award for that also. So we keep doing that job, and I think I have full reliance on my research lab plus our research and development engineer, that we are not only going to keep pace with these cyber criminals, but at the same time we are going to be ahead of them so that we can protect our customers. Market share is when you go with the IDC and Gartner's report, I think they are the reports which gives you. But as of today, I am not able to announce it, because since then Sophos has taken over Cyberome. There are combined figures which are supposed to be getting announced. You will very soon hear the Gartner report, and I can proudly say that, in my opinion, again it's my opinion, I do not have any kind of data with me, but worldwide we are number 3. India figures in terms of revenue I know, but in totality the other competition, what figures they are forecasting, how much they are doing, I really don't have, so I am sorry, I cannot comment upon that. We have been growing in the last 3 years. The total growth is 147% in the last 3 years. Cyberome India I am talking about. When we are talking about increasing the market, or maybe the so-called addressable market what we have today, and increasing our pie and our market share, I would say that today we have already 15 branches in India. I do not think my competition has it, and I am pretty sure of it. We have our pre-sales and sales people working out of those locations. So it's not just a branch with so-called some sub-distributor or somebody working. Our own manpower is working based out of those locations. I have people based out of Indore as a location. I have people based out of Lucknow as a location. I have people based out of Jaipur as a location. So I'm just giving you such Kerala as a location. We are covering up almost all parts of our country, which my competition is far behind from us in terms of their business, number 1. Number 2, the kind of support which we offer to our partners. You see, our whole focus is how we strengthen our partners, which I have not seen with my competition, because their focus is directly they go to the customers and they would like to win customers. My focus is my partners, and through these partners I win the customers.
I think that's where the change in the strategy of Cyberome versus any competition. And I can proudly say that my partners have done a wonderful job for this financial year, and that's where we are getting a growth of more than 45% in the CM, which is humongous. And next year again, we are, targeting more than 40% kind of a growth. So the point is that when I look at as to how I need to increase, today we have a presence. So there are two things which we look at in channel. One is that you increase the width of the channel. Another is the depth of the channel. So we are working on the depth of the channel with a fantastic partner program. We launched our partner programs 1.5 years back. This year I am changing the partner program in such a way that they are able to earn more, but at the same time we also have the reporting mechanism. There are people getting certified, the kind of programs which we have. So we are working towards that side, which will actually strengthen up our channel partners more. And once the partners are strengthened up, I am sure business will automatically grow. Our business split is exactly what industry has it.
Okay.
So when I say industry has it, 32% from West, and then approximately 20 to 30% from South, and again 30% from from North, and then 10% is what I have from East. So revenue split is very simple. I think as of today, the SMB and SME is 60%.
Is it?
Yes. And 40% is the above, which is called enterprise. But enterprise here I am referring to less than 20,000 users. I am not referring to top 200 enterprise are not part of that list.
Okay.
They are part of my list, but they are at the more branches level and that level. Smart City government did announce that project. I could also see some movement happening, but very recently in Economic Times they were talking about the bidders did apply, but they were not very satisfied with the process and the people have applied for it. So I would say that it will take at least 3 to 6 months more before government can come out with a proper framework as to how they want to execute it. But I am very gung-ho about smart cities as a project. And I am sure that I have a list of all the 99 to 100 smart cities which they have announced, and we are working with our partners in those areas. So we have our SI partners who are going to work on those projects. We are a part of information security company, so we will play our role, is what I can tell you.